Our job is to make sure our customers are taken care of, that they have the parts that they need when they need them, and when they're taken care of, they're going to take care of us. These 3 pallets are all going to Europe. Position lights, strobe power packs. We've got to the point now where they just leave a trailer here for us. The other thing that really makes us different, anybody can take that order. You know, anybody can process that PO or process that web order. Ken, Tony, Mart, and Rick combined, they've been doing this for, I think it's like 120 years of general aviation parts business. And they've been doing it every day. You're not going to get that at other places. That's what they're phenomenal at. We've got a shop right here. These are the Columbias and now the Cessna TTX that I grew up, it was my first real aviation job flying. How can we work for you? If it's something that we can do, we will bend over backwards to try to figure that out.